Hey guys, my name is Samuel Smith. Okay, this is our first video on this channel. Okay, I'm the head trader and founder of White Forex. Okay, and today for our first video, we're just actually going to do some basic stuff, which is doing some technical analysis of the markets. Okay, and we're to start. We're gonna go with Usdjpy. I think I went short on this one as my current order. I'm still on the trade. I'm waiting for the trade to touch my take profit, and we're actually also gonna do some predictions, some analysis, and some breakdowns of the market on NZD/USD, on CAD/JPY, AUD/USD, and GBP/CHF. So stick with me on this one, and there we go. So as you can see, I'm on USDJPY, of course, and this is a monthly chart. Okay, so let's start right here. You can see it actually made we can count this head as a one, how do I call it, a resistance. Okay, this was a resistance that was set I think in 2007. Okay, and again the same resistance came back again here, okay, to be tested, right? So I don't know if you can see these guys from my perspective, but we are in a current trend. Okay, you can see price doing this movement, coming all the way down here, then going back up to make another resistance, another monthly resistance. So right now this is our current monthly resistance, okay, and this right here is our support, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one right here. There we go. Okay, so we got our support right here. Okay, great. So support, resistance. First there was a resistance here, it all started here, resistance, support, back on the trend line, back on the line, okay, to test the resistance. Then what is price doing now? Okay, it's on its way down. Okay, so for me on the monthly chart, I think price is going to make this kind of move. Okay, yeah, I say this kind of move before it can like get back up again to the upside. So for me, my prediction on this pair USDJPY monthly chart, we are going short. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, okay, anything you want to add to this, just comment below. Okay, or you can send me an email at whiteforex.trading@gmail.com. Okay, so we're now gonna go to the weekly chart to try and continue this analysis that we were doing right now. So before we continue, guys, let me say this: it's very important. Okay, it's very important that you guys get as many confluences on the market as possible. Okay, which means sorry, I got a sore throat. Which means if you get a some confirmation, okay, on the monthly chart, you should be able to get these same confirmations on the weekly, on the daily, on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour. It doesn't matter. Okay, your charts should be able to tell you what market is going to go on as many charts as possible. Okay, as what I meant to say was on as many time frames as possible. Okay, so we finish with the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. So as you can see, nothing really changed. Okay, we came from this resistance, test support, retest resistance. So exactly, we're expecting price to come back to the 75.90. okay, we're still expecting price to come back down over here. Okay, so quickly we're gonna go back to the daily chart. That's where I was actually. That's where I made my analysis to enter market on this pair. Okay. Now this is the daily chart. Yeah. So on the daily chart, sorry, On the daily chart, what is there to be seen? Okay, right. So on the daily chart, this is what we have right here. And as you can see, I think like 7 days ago, this candle, okay, broke my moving average. Okay, this is some very special moving average. It's not your typical moving average, your normal moving average. There's a way, to settle this for it to be able to come on your chart. And I mean, basically do that with Ichimoku. And if you want to learn how to do this, I mean, how to bring up this moving average, like I said, it's not a simple moving average. It's not your average moving average. Okay, so funny thing, your average moving average. So if you want to learn how to use also this strategy, okay, simple strategy with a moving average, you just comment below, you just tell me what you think, okay, and then we'll see how we can work this out. Now, price crossed my moving average right here. Okay, so as you can see, there was a little support right here, and again there was another support, right? So price went back up, came back down, retested I'm back in, retested the support, broke the support, okay, broke it down back down to right here, okay. Then what happened? Price, if you can see, sorry, all this writing stuff, I'm gonna explain to you what they're doing there. So you can see this green candle right here, pulled back to retest this. As you can see, the body is right here, but the wick came back, okay, to retest this area, okay, at 110.7.12, if I'm not mistaken, and to be able to make a resistance and then go back down. Okay, so as you can see, this is my order. I entered market right here. Okay, so right now I'm halfway, almost hit my take profit here, went back up. But as we say in a forex market, if you trust in your analysis, wherever the market goes, you're just confident it's gonna come back your way. So I'm just gonna wait for it to touch my take profit. Okay, so this is my daily analysis for now. Also, I wanted to mention something I did not say before, but since I'm here with you guys today, I'm gonna show you what that is basically. And if you've seen it before, that's good. And there we go, we have what is a double top. Okay, so I heard a lot of people saying you can get a double top on the daily chart, okay, or on the weekly, on the monthly chart. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that is very false. Okay, that is very false thinking. Well, you can get a double top, okay, in the daily chart. Double tops are not only for 4 hours, 1 hour, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. No, you can also get a double top on the daily chart, the weekly chart. Doesn't matter. Okay, prices make moves that we already know. Okay, so if you know a move, just tell yourself that wherever the price is, whatever the time frame, these representations, or if I should say these chart patterns, that's how some of you guys know it, these chart patterns, they always come out. Okay, they always come out. So let's go fast here. We got a double top right here. Yeah, we got a double top right here, and price broke the neckline, so we have the neckline here. Okay, the neckline of this double top is also basically the support of these movements right here. So we got the neckline right here. Okay, and the moment price broke the neckline, I think some of you guys know already how to calculate the profit for these kind of patterns. If some of you don't, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So when you see a double top like this on how can I say it, on the chart, okay, so you basically, what you do is take the distance, okay, from the neckline all the way up to the double tap is to take the distance from the neckline, I think the neckline to the top, okay, and then you use the same distance from the neckline, okay, downwards. So this would be our take profits somewhere down here. Okay, now what we're about to do is go to the 4 hours chart. Okay, also like I said, there was a lot of strategies, sorry, a lot of strategies right here. You can also see this candle broke my moving average. Okay, I said it before, this is not your typical moving average. If you want to know more about this strategy, okay, just comment below and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, now let's head to the 4 hours chart. Now here we are on the 4 hours chart. I mean, no, there's no really big things to show. I think there were some really interesting moves on the hourly chart. um Great. So yeah, this is it. Now you can see price came all the way, let me just bring this up back up. Yeah, price came all the way back down here, and um this pattern is actually called a descending triangle. Okay, this is a continuation bearish pattern, right? So this means that price made all this way, okay, downstairs, downwards if you want, then okay, went back up to get some more fuel before going back down. Okay, so um so this is what actually we're gonna do. Sorry, what I did here is, this trend line, we got this trend line right here, we got this trend line. So actually that's how prices react. Price came all the way down, okay, created a support here. This is number one. As you can see, I drew some lines, I wrote some numbers. Price created support here, okay, went back to, okay, test back the resistance, came back to test again the support. This is number three. Okay, went back up again to test the resistance. This is number four. And then normally the way this pattern works, at number five, I was supposed to write number five here, but doesn't matter. At number five, it's supposed to break, okay, break the trend line, pull back on the trend line to retest it, create a resistance, then go all the way down. Okay, so this is how I'm sure that USDJPY is gonna go down, right? So yeah, as you can see, price really broke my line here, made a pullback. Okay, so what I'm expecting, today's Friday, so the market is gonna close in about 25 minutes, something like that. And I'm expecting price actually to, from Monday or Tuesday, to come back down and hit my targets. That's all I'm waiting for. I mean, if you're not in the market to get money, I mean, what you basically doing in the market? So this is it. I'm waiting for my money to be given to me. That's how it works. So this is it. I broke it down. So from auto, and also I think yeah, let me delete this one right here. There's also something that I wanted to say. I think this yes, sorry, I think these are going to continue, this price is going to continue downwards. Why? Let me show you why. Because we have a yeah, I think we have a support here. So if price comes down, touches this support, I think we have something like that, or maybe I'm not right. So yeah, this is it, right? So great. So this is it. This is also something I'm gonna show you guys. Um, price came all the way back from where I wrote the number two. Okay, created support here, went back to test the resistance, came back down. So I'm expecting price actually to do this. Okay, come back. Sorry, come back, retest the resistance. Okay, right here, and then pull back down again right here. Okay, this is what I'm expecting the market to do. Okay, the prices to do, because right now we're in some kind of a lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. So another lower high here and then lower low. That's what I'm expecting price to do. Okay, so I'm gonna say thank you guys for being with me today. This is my breakdown of the Usdjpy pair. Okay, I said we were gonna break down some other pairs, but that will be for later. Okay, I still got these pairs on my whiteboard, and trust me, we're gonna have much fun here trading these pairs. And so for now, this is my analysis. This is my prediction. So from the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours chart, right now we're on the hourly chart. Price is still bearish. Okay, price is still bearish. I think we're still going to touch this monthly. I think on the monthly chart, we're still going to touch this monthly support right here at 104.70, something like that. Yeah, 104.70 right here. So I'm still expecting price to come back, retest this support before we can think about a long opportunity right here. So everything is said. Thank you guys for being with me again. It's Sam Smith. I'm always with you guys. I'm here trader here at White Forex. So if you have anything you want to say or any questions, just comment below or write to me on my email. I think it will be in the description, okay, below. But I can say here it's also whiteforex.trading@gmail.com. Thanks again, and see you guys another time.